Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the first call special, and it's going to be on the Subway guy. If he picks up, I'm going to tell him that he's basically famous. Please pick up, please pick up.
Thank you for choosing Public Subway. How can I help you?
Hello?
What? Hi.
Can I have 16 salads to go, please?
Yeah, just 1 second.
No.
Hello?
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Hello?
No.
Yes?
Who is this?
This.
Can I help
No.
you?
Yes, can I have 16 salads to go, please?
Like tonight?
Like, in 20 minutes?
Seriously?
It's just a prank, bro. Sorry.
Who is this?
I'm anonymous. I'm a hacker.
You kind of sound like Andrea from Lincoln Way.
I kind of sound like Andrea from Lincoln Way.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Share your screen.
I don't know. You tell me.
I think you're trying.
I'm right.
I think you're trying to object me as a human. I am a
I think you're
non-binary.
right.
I'm a non-binary transgender queer alien.
Right.
You
Okay, what kind of parts do you have under there?
you Subway workers are the best. Oh my god.
Who is this?
I'm some random kid who's bored and has a lot of time on his hands. Yeah,
Brittany.
I did this last night, and
This is Brittany.
they loved me.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Don't say naughty words.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Is this really Brittany?
Who is Brittany? That you just
No.
Why are you arguing with me?
You
Just
just-
tell
you
me
just-
your name.
my name is Ronaldo. No, my name is Ron Swanson. Okay.
Here, let me get the charger.
I
You
am.
can't say your name is Ronaldo and then say it's Ron.
No, I'm Ron for short. My name is Ronaldo Swanson, but they call me Ron Ulysses Swanson.
They call me Ron.
Right.
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yes. I asked if you have children flavored chips, and I came to the Subway lid, and you guys didn't have any. Are
Oh,
you
well,
sure?
you didn't ask the right person.
Oh, well, I asked someone, and they're like, yeah. They said their cost I want to die 99, and I kind of figured that I have that much, so I'd come over and stop by and get some.
Yeah. If you just want to come back, I can take you. I just ask for Sarah. I know what to
Give
do.
me green.
All right, awesome, and just make sure the police aren't there. I'd rather not get arrested again.
Nah, bro, I got you. This is a secret service. What do you
This
mean?
is a secret service. Are you part of the CIA?
No.
Oh. I knew you are. You're not supposed to tell me.
Tell you.
Ha ha. I knew it. She's in the CIA. Is it illegal if I'm recording this?
What?
Is it illegal if I'm recording this?
Yeah.
Do I have your
Life in
consent?
prison.
Do I have your consent?
No.
No.
No, just so you know, this call is being recorded, and we already know where you're at.
How?
I'd be careful. There might be cops on the way.
Oh no! SWAT team! SWAT team! They're right outside my door.
I told you, bro. I told you.
Oh my god! They're outside. I'm actually having a conversation with a Subway employee right now. Oh my god.
I have no idea who this is.
I am Ronaldo. My name is Ronaldo, and I like to do stuff. Yeah, what about those 18 salads that I ordered? Are they going to be ready in about 20 minutes?
I have 13-foot sub.
You didn't order any salad.
Oh, my friend also just asked for 13-foot-long subs.
You've got to be kidding me. What are they?
He wants the long ones. The
Long
extra long.
The long.
He wants Jared's foot long. He wants Jared's foot long.
I think
Asking for
everybody
long
wants the foot long.
salons.
Yeah, he wants Jared's foot long. Do you think you could get Jared out of prison and just bring him to? Yeah, He'll be happy
Ask
to
him
come
for
over.
long schlongs.
He asked
Sure, I
for
can figure something out.
wrong slongs. What'd you say? Wrong.
Long schlong.
Long slongs. I'm sorry. He's a foreigner. I think he jumped over the wall. Excuse my racism. Improper.
How many footlongs do you need?
If he could share my lunch with me, that'd be great.
Yeah, I steal his lunch money every day, and I say I'm gonna pay him back. But he doesn't understand me. He only speaks alien. So like, he just basically screams at me until I give him what he
Alien
wants.
meaning like Mexican? I have no idea who these people are. I'm just going with it.
Alien as a Mexican. I'm pretty sure you're objectifying. You just assumed my gender. I'm really offended right now. How could you? Hello? Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm put my best accent.
You didn't even pick it up? Look, you can't just set my mouse there, you tard.
I swear to God, if you don't pick up.
Lepore Bergen, this is Eric.
Yeah, so my burger was really soggy.
Your burger was soggy. How long ago did you come through?
How while ago did I come through?
Yeah.
I don't know. It was about an hour-ish ago.
It was an hour ago?
Hour-ish, yeah.
What was your order then?
My order? My order was a cooked child. It
Was
was
a what?
it was a soggy cooked child. It was soggy.
You know prank calling is legal though? You know, you can get arrested for
He's like, Frank Collins illegal though. You can get arrested for that.
No, you can't.
I know. I hung up.
You're not causing any harm to anybody.
I know Burger
They're
King.
cool.
I told you, Burger King
You're
employees
not. Look,
get really
it's
pissy
not
with me.
illegal because you are not, basically you're not doing anything to anybody's rights. So it's
Exactly.
not illegal.
Yeah, Burger King employees get really pissy with me every time I prank call them. They get super pissy. But Subway employees are.
See if they can just have like 15 burgers
Thank you
ready
for
for
calling
you
Burger
and
King.
don't
This is
even say
Nathaniel.
it's
How may I
ready.
help you?
Just hang up.
Hey, could you guys just wait? Do you guys make like salads or hot dogs or something like that?
We don't make hot dogs, but we do make salads.
You guys make salads?
Yes, we do. We have a club salad, a garden salad, and a side salad.
Can I have roughly 20 salads to go?
Okay, what time would you be here?
What time would I be here? Depends. How fast can you guys make them? Cause I'd be there whenever they're ready.
Give me 1 second. I'll give it to another manager, okay?
All right. They're giving me to their manager.
You're going to talk to the manager.
I don't care.
If he says you're too young to try and prank call him, say that your mom wanted you to call.
All right.
Or your dad. Make it sound really say your dad.
Hello.
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 Yes. Yeah. I asked for 20 garden salads. You said.
Uh-huh. When are you picking those up?
Well, whenever you guys are ready, if you guys could just give me a time estimate.
That'd probably take maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys also have chopped up fingers to put in the salad?
Huh?
No, you have to actually let them do it.
Chopped up fingers?
Say chicken finger.
No.
Chicken
We've
fingers?
got
Chicken
chicken
finger-
fries.
You guys got chicken? Could you put chicken fries in the salad?
I mean, you can buy some and put them in yourself if you'd like.
All right. How much would my total be? I'm gonna say I'm gonna pay in Robux.
No, don't. Keep it legit and just hang till they actually make.
Nah. I have all the Robux I need. They hung up.
They're actually doing it, I bet.
Oh no.
I want to give you somebody to call, okay?
All right. I'm gonna call.
It's another person in my contact.
All right. I'm gonna call that Burger King again. I'm just gonna mute my mic and see what they say.
I would make you call my mom, but you can't have that number saved.
All right. Well, I don't. It doesn't save on.
Laporte Burger King, how may I help you?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, I got you. Let me look it up. I forget what the number is though.
You're gonna prank call on an unknown number now?
I've been on another
You know
number.
it's still traceable, right?
Where is it?
It's like, you know, it's still traceable, right? I'm like, this is like the lowest you can go. This is worse than like something like.
Call one.
I'm gonna tell her. Do you have anything to say to the audience? No, stop it.
Thank you for using Subway. How can I help you?
Hello. You guys have just been voted the best Subway employees of this year on the internet.
No way. That's crazy. I knew it.
Yeah. We've been prank calling you every day now almost, and you've been like.
Really? No way.
You guys have been like the coolest about it. So you guys get to tell. What do you have any words for everyone watching who's very excited to hear that this Subway has like the best people of all time?
Hello.
Hey, you guys won another award
For what?
for being the coolest Subway employees of all time.
Who is it? Hell yeah, I'm pretty sure we're the dopest Subway ever.
Oh yeah, you guys know it. Yeah. So do you have anything to say to the people who are idolizing you guys?
Yeah.
Teenagers everywhere.
Always go for the biggest one.
You guys are the dopest Subway employees ever. I love this.
I know.
Okay, well this has been streamed and recorded, and you guys have been voted the coolest Subway ever. I hope you guys enjoy that award, and I'll be giving you guys a donation whenever I stop by Subway next. My order will be Kim Jong-un, in case you're wondering if Kim Jong-un. The tip will be about $20. So they'll be like, "Oh, why are you tipping us?" I'm just gonna say, tell. No, I'll just be like, Obama came over. He donated. He thought we were like so cool. So if that happens, you know it's me. So have a good night. You guys are so cool.
Thanks.
Stop having an orgasm on camera. Jesus Christ.
It sounds like
I'm 16 and a half. You can't deny my age. Apex.
They record their calls.
I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and for all those Subway employees, I know you're watching this because I called you, and you know, they're pretty cool. I mean, they're pretty cool. I like them. So I'm gonna be stopping by. Give them a tip, $20. They deserve it. It's been a ride for them. So we're gonna keep harassing them, and hopefully they call the cops.